Hello dear students, today we start volume and surface areas of a cuboid and a cube of class 8. Introduction. In this chapter, we shall learn about the volumes and surface areas of a cuboid and cube. And we also discussed about formula for same. Some application of these formulae to solve some simple problems from everyday life situations will also be discussed. Cuboid. A cuboid is a solid bounded by six rectangular plane regions. In everyday life, we come across objects like a wooden box, a matchbox, a tea packet, a chalk box, a dice, and a book, etc. are the example for the cuboid. Here you have seen a 3D figure of the cuboid. It is the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are the vertex of the cuboid, and where the six faces, the faces are like that. Terms related to cuboid faces. A faces is made of the six rectangular plane region, namely ABCD, EFGH, AEHD, CGFB, AEFB, and CDSG. Edges. Any two adjacent faces of cuboid meet in a line segment, which is called an edge of the cuboid. In the figure AB, AD, AE, HD, HE, HG, GF, GC, FE, FB, EF, and CT are 12 edges of the cuboid. Since opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, therefore we can easily say AB is equal to CD is equal to GH is equal to EF, and A is equal to TH is equal to BF is equal to CG, and EH is equal to FG is equal to AD is equal to BC. Vertex. For any two edges that meet at an end point, there is a third edge that also meets them at that end point. This point of intersection of three edges of a cuboid is called vertex of a cuboid. In the figure, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are vertex, base, and lateral faces. Any face of cuboid may be called the base of the cuboid. In that case, the four faces which meet the base are called the lateral faces of the cuboid. Formula for surface area of a cuboid. Surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH unit square, where L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth, and H is equal to height. Formula for volume of a cuboid. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height, or V is equal to L B H. Generally, we denote length as L, breadth as a B, height as a H. That's why V is equal to LBH unit cube. Here I have given an example of a cuboid. This is an aquarium. In this aquarium, you have seen that there is a length, breadth, and height. The length is 80 centimeter and the breadth is 30 centimeter, whereas the height is 40 centimeter. Let us start the question related to this aquarium. An aquarium is in the form of cuboid whose external measures are 80 centimeter by 30 centimeter by 40 centimeter. The bottom side faces and back face are to be covered with color back paper. Find the area of the paper needed. So student, before starting the question, first we have a length of aquarium L is equal to 80, breadth is equal to 30 centimeter, or height is equal to 40 centimeter. So area of the front face is equal to length into height is equal to 80 into 40 centimeter square, or 2400 centimeter square. So total surface area of the aquarium, we know that the formula is that 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So just put the values of L, B and H on this equation. Then we got after solution 13,600 centimeter square. So area of the color paper required, what is that? Yes, very good. Total surface area minus area of the front face plus area of the top face. So area total surface area is the 13,600. So 3,200 plus 2,400. So we got 800 centimeter square. 8,000 centimeter square. Example 2, related to volume. To find the volume, the length, breadth and height of the room are 8.5, 6.5 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. Find the volume of the air contained in the room. Solution. Length of the room is 8 meter, breadth of the room is 6.5 meter and the height of the room is 3.5 meter. The volume of the air in the room is equal to volume of the room. And we know that the formula of the volume of the room is equal to length into breadth into height. So on putting the value of this, then we got a 182 meter cube. Formula for surface area of a cube. The surface area of the cube is also related by the cuboid, since in the cube length, breadth and height all are the same. That's why we put LBH as a L. So that's why 2 into L into L plus L into L plus L into L. So it means that we have a 2 into 3L square. So we have a 6L square or 6 into H square. Formula for the volume of cube. Volume of cube is also the formula by the L cuboid. What is that? Length into breadth into height. Since in the cube length, breadth and height are same, that's why here is the V is equal to L cube or centimeter cube, or V is equal to side cube. Find the surface area of a cube whose area is 11 centimeter. Since we know that the surface area of the cube is 6 into H square, here is 11 centimeter. That's why the surface area of the cube is equal to 6 into 11 square centimeter square, or 6 into 121. It means that 726 centimeter square. Another example related to this question. Find the surface area of a cube whose volume is 512 meter cube. Solution. Let the length of an edge of the cube be L meter. Then its volume is L cube, because the volume of the cube is equal to L cube or side cube. So but the volume is given as 512 meter cube. So L cube is equal to 512 or L cube is equal to 8 cube, because we can also write 512 as 8 into 8 into 8 or 8 cube. So it means that we got L is equal to 8 meter, means side is equal to 8 meter. So surface area is equal to 6 into L square of the cube. That's why on putting the value of the L in this formula, that's we got 6 into 8 square. So we got 6 into 64 or 384 meter square. Okay students, thank you so much for studying this.